In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix can't install ZArchiver app from Google Play Store. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. To fix this, just go back to your phone and look for Google Play Store. Tap on it to open. From here, make sure you are logged in with your Gmail account before you can search for your app. However, if you're already logged in but unable to download and install this app, then tap on your profile icon and from here, go to Settings. From Settings, look for this option, Network Preferences, and below it, look for App Download Preference. Here, change this from over Wi-Fi only to over any network, and then OK. This will ensure you can download this app and any other app via the current network you are connected to. Try now to install your app and everything should work. However, if this didn't work, then check and then see if you are using any VPN or any recently installed security app. It might be preventing this. You'll need to temporarily turn it off or uninstall to fix the problem. But should the problem still persist, then most likely the challenge might be with Play Store. To fix this, we need to troubleshoot Google Play Store by going to Settings on your phone, and from Settings, look for Apps. Now under Apps, look for Manage Apps or All Apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, search for Play Store, tap on it to open, and here go to for Stop and OK to stop any background activities that might be causing this issue. Then go to Clear Data and choose Clear Cache. Finally, OK. Now restart your smartphone and then return to Google Play Store. Search for your app. So search for ZArchiver. Here it is. I'll tap on it to open. And now let me try to install. As you can see, now I'm able to download and install my ZArchiver app. However, at this point, if you still have any issue, then check and then see that you have enough space on your phone. If you don't, uninstall unwanted or unused apps and files to create more space for this app. So let me know which of this was able to fix your problem. If you have any other question, kindly comment below. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.